Taste test. Pauline and DJ. Just eat the whole thing.
Okay.
No, wait. Okay, taste that one first. And then wait before you eat the other one.
It's good.
What's good about it?
I like the what's it called? The black stuff in it. Yeah, I like that good old flavor.
Yeah, you like the flavor?
Mm-hmm.
And you like whatever that black stuff is? I mean, that black stuff is like some... what is that black stuff, Secrece?
The black
Cookies.
stuff? Yeah, cookies. Yeah.
Cookies. Okay, black stuff is cookies. Okay, so all that other one's your mouth? Okay, then let's taste the other one. Okay, I think we got a quick reaction.
I like this one better.
Okay.
It's good.
What does Pauline say?
What are you doing? It's okay. I like the other one. I like this one.
Okay,
It is
so
delicious.
why do you like the other one over this one? What do you like about this one first?
The cookies and about the one I just ate.
Yeah.
Nothing. Maybe the color.
The color?
It just doesn't taste right.
Okay.
I like everything about it. The color, the sugar, the flavor. I need more sugar. Oh, it's so good.
Okay, so
I need more flavor and sugar.
out of both of them, which one did you like the best?
That golden one.
So the second one?
Yeah.
Okay, and for you, which one did you like
First
the
one.
best? The first one. Can you bring them over so we can see which one they like?
Ooh, I like cookies and cream. Oh, I like.
Hold on, let me get it real quick. I think my wife's hands are stuck. We're gonna probably have to get her arm stuck. Oh, she's unstuck.
Look. Ew.
All right, so
Ew. Sea salt.
wait. Let me show it.
Ew. Can I get some? TJ, pass
Sea
them
salt. No, caramel sea salt, and then the
Can I get
other
some?
one. No more.
Oh, it tastes good.
Cookies and cream. All right, thank you.
After this, can I
for
get
your
some more?
test. And now let's guess whose is whose. Whose is that one?
This is yours.
And how do you know?
Because you eat a lot. And you eat a lot. And you eat a lot. Something close to buttermilk.
Now, did you know by tasting it that was mine or Mama's?
I know by tasting it, it was yours. I know
So
by...
did that help justify what your answer would be?
And because look inside it. Yeah, that's
Did that help your answer because you knew that was Daddy's ice cream?
What do you mean?
Did you choose that ice cream was nasty because you knew that was Daddy's ice cream?
That was just nasty.
All right.
What did I say? I like yours, Mom. We're going to be sharing Mom.
So now you know that. Oh, did you know that this was Dad's ice cream?
Cool.
By tasting it?
I knew that was your ice cream because you always eat a lot of your ice cream.
No. Before you tasted it. Before you seen it.
That's funny.
Okay.
When you tasted it, did you know whose was whose?
Yeah, I did because you always get this good ice cream that's... Hey guys! You always get this good ice cream that's good. That's why.
All right, we wrap it up.
Yeah. But
Good
first,
job.
let's get some more.
All right.
Can we?
No more.